Along with an event comes endless possibilities for you to find creative ways to make your event a more unique and pleasurable experience for your attendees. A great way to do this is by incorporating videos into your live event. Desiree here with AJI. Using video during your events keeps your audience entertained and engaged. Open up with an inspiring video that gets your audience excited and sets a precedent for the rest of your event. If your event is speech heavy, try to use a pre-recorded interview of a VIP or footage that corresponds with what you're talking about. This helps break up your speaking time and refocuses your audience's attention. During breaks, while your guests are mingling, you can use silent videos to highlight different areas of your event, your business, or your brand. If your event is spanning over multiple days, end the day with daily wrap-up videos. Wrap-up videos can be easily made on site throughout the day. There are so many possibilities for videos to be intertwined with your event to help you spice things up. Think about if you were attending your own event. What are some things you would like to see? Also, don't forget to use this time to your advantage. Events bring together an atypical group of people, which makes it a great time to fill some content for the future. Testimonials, short interviews, recap footage, footage for next year's teaser video. You have everything you need right in front of you.